Well, a startling statistic this morning. For every hour, 1,000 new COVID cases are being reported. So to put that into perspective for you, when 13 Sunrise ends this morning, 3,000 cases will have been reported.
Most of the cases are from unvaccinated individuals, and now with kids going back to school soon, there's a lot of concern among doctors and parents. So Karen is live right now, taking a closer look at the rise in COVID cases among Indiana children. Karen, good morning.
Hey, good morning, Carlos. It's hard to believe, but we are at about 100 kids who were diagnosed with COVID a day here in Indiana. And as kids, as you all mentioned, kids head back to class soon, less than 2 weeks. Doctors say there are some things that they want parents to know to help keep their kids safe. But first, let's take a look at COVID cases among those Hoosier kids ages 0 to 19. Only about 26% of the eligible kids are fully vaccinated. That's those ages 12 to 19. Now, you can see the last few weeks, since about mid-June, the numbers are trending up, similar to what we're seeing with adults. But we don't know how many of these cases are from the Delta variant. Now, pediatricians say the best thing that you can do to help your kids is to get the shot. As school begins in less than 2 weeks, it is also encouraged that unvaccinated kids wear masks. Doctors tell us those at higher risk for getting COVID are teachers and staff who work at the school who have decided not to be vaccinated. Now, while children are often seen as less vulnerable when it comes to COVID, doctors at Riley Children's Hospital say they're still seeing cases.
But several get admitted to the hospital, several get admitted to the intensive care unit. We're still seeing the multi-system inflammatory disease.
Now, that was Dr. John Christensen at Riley. He says schools should stick with those strategies that work best to keep everyone safe. Now, doctors say that those who have underlying medical conditions who do go back to school, it is highly encouraged that they wear their masks. I'll send it back to you guys.
Yeah, and Karen, IPS has already made the decision to mandate mask wearing for those students and staff members who are unvaccinated. IPS teacher Stephanie Coleman says after spending all of last year teaching virtually, she's in favor of the school district's new COVID protocols.
I have my own kids, and I feel that they will be fine wearing a mask to school.
So our hope is to make sure, again, we're keeping the safety and the health of our students and our staff as the top priority.
IPS's new policy requires unvaccinated staff and students to wear masks, but those 12 and older can forego the mask if they provide proof of vaccination. IPS says the goal is to also have students maintain a social distance of at least 3 feet. Now, you can read more about IPS's plan right now at WTHR.com and on our free news app.
We'll expect to see more transparency at the White House as it rolls out a new policy on reporting positive COVID cases among its staff. So the White House will proactively announce cases if a staff member in any role tests positive and has close contact with the president, first lady, or vice president. With about 2,000 people working in the White House each day, it's likely that positive cases will occur among the vaccinated, just as they have across the country. So far, President Biden has not been exposed or has changed any protocol.